Hey guys, I'm Haley Ward and welcome to my channel. And I have two special guests with me, Lena and Ellie. And today we are doing the Try Not to Laugh challenge. If you enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you don't, well, give it a thumbs up then. And also hit that subscribe button. Okay, let's get started. Okay, me and Ellie are going to try to make a Lena laugh. And so,
with water in her mouth.
Yeah, that's how it's gonna work. So let's get started.
Okay, we're gonna be setting the timer for 1 minute, and if she doesn't laugh for 1 minute, then she gets a point. But if she does, you get a negative point. Okay,
ready,
set, go. Okay. Now,
how you doing?
you're a bug. You're a bug, Bingy. As you know, we're really bad at making people laugh, but
Okay. Knock, knock.
Haley. Okay.
We gotta hurry up. We got 15 seconds.
Yes.
And also, it hurts your cheeks too.
You get a negative point.
Okay, next.
She died at 59 seconds.
Next is Haley.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Elena.
Elena. Who? Have you?
Okay, now it's her turn. You gotta start the timer. Okay, ready, set, go.
That's what happened to Haley last time she peed.
I'm not proud of it.
You should be.
Proud of yourself. Okay, now what? Hey! Okay, now we're gonna make a lane one.
But she was there on my hand.
Yeah.
Oh,
Lena!
stop!
My God, spit on my foot! She's
Okay, round two. This is part 2 of round 2. Okay, so it's Haley's turn. Start.
Oh.
Start in 3, 2, 1.
Oh my God. She said, konnichiwa.
She said, "Potty mouth."
I don't know the words. Blah,
Blah,
blah, blah,
blah,
blah,
blah.
blah.
Pen, 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 yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Ah!
Oh.